Hi guys, what is going on and welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video we are going to discuss the current state of Bitcoin, the current state of Ethereum, and we are also going to go over the total crypto market cap, in which I will explain my current targets, potential bullish retest, and what I expect in the upcoming week. Before we start today guys, I want to start off with a very nice announcement that I have a brand new partnership with one of the top exchanges out there. Prime XBT is sponsoring today's video. If you want to use my promo codes or my referral link, I will leave them in the description. If you sign up using my promo code after using my referral link, you can get up to 7% deposit bonus. That means if you deposit $10,000, you get $700 to trade with for free. After making profit with that money, you can also withdraw it to your own wallet. Also can use my other discount code, which is GURU25, and that gives you 25% discount on your fees. So very nice discounts by using my referral and afterwards using my promo codes. The links and the codes can be found in the description. Make sure to use the referral to create an account and get trading here. Very nice crypto pairs. And above all, what I really like about this exchange is that you can trade Forex and indices over here as well. Much better as MetaTrader, where you can also trade Forex, but I love this exchange 10 times more compared to MetaTrader, as this is way easier to trade Forex, indices and commodities. Let's dive into the video. If we look at the current state of Bitcoin, we can see I want to go on lower time frames, because lower time frames is where this chart gets interesting, since we put in an equal high over here yesterday and we got a dump afterwards. Right now it looks like we're potentially putting in a triple equal low, in which that means we do have a lot of liquidity towards the upside, but we also have a lot of liquidity below us. So it means that we might be in for some proper price session in the upcoming days. I want to see this liquidity be taken out before I look for add-ons on my current Bitcoin long position that I entered over here. Took my first 50% profits over here, which was the perfect take profit so far. And right now, before I would be interested into adding towards my current long position, I would love for these lows to be taken out. Preferably, I even want to take out this low, and I will explain to you guys why. If we go from swing low to swing high and we switch on our premium and our discount over here, we can see that we have our discount right below our sell side liquidity over here. We also have an untapped imbalance over here and over here. So that means if we take out this low over here, retail traders and breakout traders will start shorting once we enter a discount. The stop losses of the long positions that put their stop loss below this low are also within the discount over here. So that means that it would be the perfect area for the bigger players to fill their long orders within the discount, trap a lot of shorts, and from off that point get a reversal towards the upside. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a sweep into that liquidity over here, a bounce, and you never ever want to long that first bounce. No, you want to wait on the 15-minute time frame for a sweep of that first bounce, a sweep of that first low that we put in to stop out those early longs. Then you want to wait for a break of structure, and then I'm going to add towards my current Bitcoin long position on the higher low play over here. And obviously where that higher low will be put in, that will depend on the Fibonacci levels, on the volume levels, and on all of the other confluences. But that is what I'm currently looking at for Bitcoin before I'm going to be interested in a potential long position. Very simple, very easy. All it requires is a lot of patience. Ethereum, looking quite similar, but we can see that Ethereum has already swept that sell side liquidity on the daily time frame over here. It has now tapped into the daily imbalance over here, in which that means that a lot of liquidity on the daily time frame has been taken out. Also on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see we tapped into that sell side liquidity, and this also means if we compare Bitcoin to Ethereum, is that we are creating S&T divergence. So Bitcoin is forming higher lows while Ethereum is forming lower lows, which means Bitcoin is keeping up the market currently. Bitcoin is looking stronger compared to altcoins. And before a big move occurs, that is usually what you want to see. In my opinion, this is a potential bullish sign of bigger players accumulating long orders. So Ethereum has swept the low over here, which is kind of interesting. If we go from swing low to swing high, we can see that we haven't entered the discount yet. Am I interested in longs yet? No, I am not. Also, since Bitcoin still has some more room to decline, I'm not interested in taking a long position yet. But if we do get another sweep of the low, then I will be interested in potential longs. Why? Because we will create a potential 3-drive pattern in which we have our first drive over here, our second drive over here, and maybe we can create some kind of a third drive into the discount, into the support that we have over here and also over here, and I will be looking for potential long positions from off that point. We can also take a look at the current fixed range volume profile for Ethereum, and that shows to us that right in that discount over here, we have a massive volume spike, as you can see. We also have the value area low over here, and we have another volume spike over here around that consolidation, around that origin of this impulse towards the upside. Very interesting area to keep an eye on. Looking at the similar structure for Ethereum, wanting to long from the discount, not looking to long inside of the premium. I have opened a massive long position over here with our VIP members. You can check that back within our free Discord group or on my Twitter, and I've closed that position around the area over here. Why? Because I was feeling like we were getting a little bit exhausted. If we get back into the discount though, that is where I will potentially be interested again in long positions. Also, if we switch on EMAs, we can see that the 200 moving average is over here, but the most important moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, the 200 EMA, is also exactly within our discount around this volume spike over here, around that imbalance fill over here. So definitely a very, very pivotal area to keep an eye on for Ethereum. Very clean charts, both Bitcoin and Ethereum. My plan is clear. I will stay patient. Later tonight at 8 p.m. Central European time, we also have the FOMC minutes, in which this time it will be pretty relevant, as the Fed will release when it will be suitable for them to pause the rate hikes, which will be a very important comment. If Powell makes any crazy comments about that, maybe in favor of the bulls or in favor of the bears, we might see some big moves later tonight. So definitely also keep an eye on that and keep an eye on some potential volatility to occur around that area. Don't enter any scalps around that time, but maybe your limit long orders or your limit short orders might get filled. So keep an eye on that. Will for sure be very interesting. Last but not least, the total crypto market cap, in which Bitcoin has currently taken out that high that we put in over here, right? So we've taken out that high. If we look at Ethereum and we zoom out, we can see that Ethereum hasn't taken out that high over here. The total crypto market cap also hasn't taken out that high over here, in which the total crypto market cap is currently fighting the resistance over here. So we put in the low over here, in which it acted as resistance over here, and currently it is acting as big resistance. As soon as we can really get above that level and can flip that level, it will be a quick ride towards this high over here. But I don't think this high will be it. I think we get a test of these relative equal highs over here. Why? Because above those relative equal highs is where we have an untested daily order block. So in that case, we can say that the highs over here, those relative equal highs over here, are actually an inducement, a front run of the daily order block that we have over here. And that will definitely be a pivotal area for the total crypto market cap. If we do get a run towards that area, it is already an increasement of approximately 30%, which is big, of course. And it is also in confluence with a potential run of Bitcoin towards 27, 28K and a potential run of Ethereum to potentially $2,000. So this is what I'm currently looking at, guys. We need a flip of this key resistance area over here. And if we do get that flip, then I expect this high to be taken out pretty quickly, but I also expect these two highs to be taken out. So definitely keep an eye on this area over here for the total crypto market cap. So you can see daily candles got rejected and we get a move towards the downside, right? So very clear area of resistance. On the 4-hourly time frame, what you want to see a move above, you want to see consolidation above, and then you get another expansion towards the upside. Keep an eye on this level for the total crypto market cap. As soon as we do get that flip, this high gets taken out and we also visit these highs over here and test this daily order block. Very pivotal area, very important to keep an eye on this. I think our plan for both Bitcoin and Ethereum is clear. I think our plan for altcoins is pretty clear. I think we have to be patient. Currently still holding my Bitcoin long, still holding my Chainlink long, and I opened a long on Phantom in which we have a very nice bounce from the area that I mentioned on my Twitter, on my free Discord, and I obviously gave the full setup within our VIP channel, and that setup is already printing some money. The Chainlink and the Bitcoin long setups are risk-free with very nice profits already been taken out of those positions. So I'm very chilling, very relaxed, waiting for the next move for Bitcoin to occur. Always be patient, let those setups come to you and never ever chase a setup. Patience is key, and if you remember those things, you will be one step ahead of the rest of us. Last but not least, guys, when you guys are watching this video at 12 p.m. today, in about 45 minutes, that is also the time that our new scalping course will be released. A massive course, guys. Not gonna lie, even better than the main course that I released about half a year ago, in which the responses to that course have literally overwhelmed me a lot. Like, I didn't expect it to be that positive, but I honestly believe that this course, yes, it is much shorter compared to the first course, but it's also much cheaper. But I think the quality of the course, the way I explain things, is even better than the first course. And the first course was based on swing trading. This is based on scalping. I think for a lot of people, this is much more fun, gives a lot more dopamine. So I think you guys will absolutely love it. Go check it out on our website. Go ask me all the questions you want within our free Discord or on Twitter. I will always be there to answer them for you. And I will catch you guys on Friday's video. Ciao, ciao.